My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups that are related to the website newskinase.com. Newskinase.com is a malicious website that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you continue your browsing, but to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This may hijack the browser with multiple pop-up windows that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser by going to the menu, then go to settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of these junk sites. Finally, my recommendation is that you also research your system with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.